What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? My nail broke. But what's up, you guys? It's Simoneflawless back with another video. Per Rihanna. So I told you I was gonna like take a social media break and all of that until I got my lash business together. So far, I have some packages to open tomorrow. So I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow night and just add to this video. It's getting late. It's time for baby to go to sleep. But I just wanted to record real quick and tell y'all, like, taking a break from social media really helps you. Really, really, truly helps you. If you're determined and you know what you want to do outside of social media. Seriously. The only like downfall about it is clout leaves a little bit. Like, you gotta go back to like the bottom when you're not consistently on social media. So that sucks. And that's how I feel. And it kind of feels like very stagnant because it's like, what do I post? What do I post? I don't know. I completed like 2 clients so far, and I have a 3rd one tomorrow. I'm working on my booking site right now. I just got my card. All right. Light and other stuff I'll show y'all tomorrow. I'm excited. I've been doing so good so far. Like, it's just something about this 2nd class that I just paid for, like, that really has me has me like into it. Like, I'm more passionate now. Like, it's just a lot. And so I'm just ready to take on this journey, this last journey, because I've been talking about it since 2019. That's like 5-6 years. I'm feeling much better about life. I've got rid of people as well as detox from social media. But yeah, I'm just working on eating cleaner and starting to work out. Hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours max for a whole set. It's been taking me like 3.5 hours just to put on like as many as I can. The only parts I haven't been able to get is the inner corner and outer corner. Like, that is so freaking tricky. It's crazy. Which I think they said you should start in the areas that you feel the slowest in or that's more complicated. 555. So I may try that out, but we'll see. Enough talking. I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm unpacking and setting up a little bit of whatever I have. And yeah, we'll chit chat then. I'll be back. Okay, I'm looking wretched. Really, really wretched. But I told you I was going to do some unboxing today. I still didn't get my lash fix. It's okay. She's supposed to be coming over today so I can do her lashes. My mirror's dirty. Really dirty. But this is my lash bed right here. I've been having since 2021. My lash pillow, finally. Here is, the mirror. Oh my God. This is the light. My pillow. And I got this big box with other stuff in it, but we'll get to it in a minute. Y'all, it's just not all glitz and glam all the time. Sometimes I just wake up and I get to it. Sometimes, yeah, it is what it is. So, it's much easier to put together than my ring light was, so. Yes, I'm trying to open the shit with a fucking fork. The bunny back on because yeah, this hair is just, it's pissing me off, and it's time to take it down. I done had it up for like 2 weeks or so, but that was like a mini like unboxing. Once I put my cart together, I'm going to record that part as well. That's just what it's going to be. No, but I'm really excited about this journey. After taking my second class, I really like comprehend what I'm supposed to be doing, what to look for, and like, I don't know, like I'm waiting on her to send me my certificate online so you don't have to go to a class. And it's kind of affordable, but she's going up with the prices. I paid $125 for her class. I saw it at $99, but it went up in a matter of like a couple months, so each month is going up. So now the class, I just looked at it, it's like $200, which is still affordable because I paid $500 for my first lash class, and all I learned was classic, which is cool. I could have just built my way up from that, but this one I paid $125, and I'm learning everything I need to know, literally everything I need to know. So I've been studying it, and then something was just like, you know what, let's just get to doing it. Like I watched so many videos. I'm still watching girls to this day, like their makeup videos and stuff, not makeup, but their lash journey videos and a day in the life, shit like that. I love. I'm trying to get into that. I will get into that. But as of right now, I'm really just starting from the bottom. I'm getting my feet wet, and then I have to figure out when I got more time to work on another model. Hopefully this week or like next month, starting next month, I can get my kids more situated and on their routine, so I can get back into my routine to give myself grace. And I know it's gonna all work out because the 9 to 5 is not working. Like, it's just not gonna work for me, and that's cool. Like sometimes it works for like 2 to 3 years. Sometimes you need to go ahead and jump out there and do your own thing. Other times, like maybe it worked for 6 months and you jump out there and do your own. It's just your life. You do it how you want to do it. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm focused on right now. So I'm gonna stay consistent with it because I'm loving it. I wake up thinking about it. I go to sleep thinking about it. I don't even watch as many readings. Y'all know I'm spiritual, but yeah, I don't watch as many readings. Go throw this away. Thank you. My sister may be here. I don't know, but I'm tripping. However the fuck we gotta get it done, y'all. It took me to go through some shit for me to be like, okay, I know what I want in life. You know what I'm saying? I know how to go by this. I'm way more passionate about it. You don't just start things, because most of the time you don't finish it. Unless you're just that type of person that just dive into something all the time and do it for years and complete it even though you hate it or don't really know if you like it. I'm not that type of person. So I believe in myself. It's just coming naturally, y'all. So it's destined. Let's just do it. And I've been battling, and like if I wanted a recliner chair, I'm gonna stick to my lash bed. But when I get my suite, like I had somebody inbox me and was like, keep going, I know you're gonna do so good when you get your salon or whatever, or your shop. And I'm like, yeah, because I'm getting me a suite for sure. and it's gonna be stinking cute. Be back when it's time to unbox the cart. I don't have everything that I need, so it's gonna be very naked right now, but we're working on it because I bought my course in March, April, May. So yeah, April was kind of okay, let me get myself prepared for this. May is when I said, I have it on paper, I can show y'all, when I said I was going to start my lash business, May 2024. So, getting certified. Well, she's sending me my certificate. Should be this month. But I'm just trying to get my kids situated to the point where I don't feel like I'm abandoning them or anything like that. So one thing I have to school myself on is marketing. That's what I'm working on now. Marketing and content. Those two go hand in hand. So it should work out as long as that's what I focus on for real. My daughter messed up the cover, but yeah. This is the setup as of right now. I started on the branding and all of that stuff, but in the meantime, so far this is the setup. When I get my suite, I would do way more, but being a home lash artist, less is more in so many different ways, as long as the vibe is right. Like, I'm gonna have music playing, candle lit. I'm gonna sage some before and after each client room. I'll have snacks, all of that as time goes. And then I have my cute pink light. I'm gonna get the neon sign for myself. I can, but this was a big step. I'm gonna order some pink mask just because some people are like, okay, I still want to wear a mask, and I'm a-okay with people wearing masks as much as possible. Like, I prefer you to sleep versus talk because I can get carried away. But knowing me, we're gonna do some talking, honey. We're gonna do some talking and some business shit. Yeah. So that's just really it. I just wanted to show y'all like my little setup here. I was gonna do it in my room, but I'm like, until I get used to really lashing like in a timely manner and keep my room and stuff organized, or just get a bigger place, I'm gonna do it in a more open area. Like, yeah, it's just smarter. Mannequin tonight, watch some more videos, and that really completed this video, you guys. I'm very proud of myself because, yeah, you have to be proud of yourself. But I'm gonna be so excited to be booked and busy. That scar on my fucking walls from this chair, people rubbed it on the wall. But scrubbing the walls down is like one of my main priorities. So, yeah. Where's my skin? But I'm excited. Y'all, stay tuned. Join me on this last journey. I look a wretched mess right now, but I'm gonna start, getting myself together. Of course, my cart gonna be way put together. I'm gonna stock it up as time goes. But this is where we're starting. This is where I'm ending the freaking video. So I'm gonna jump in the shower, cleanse my skin. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe, like the video, comment if you're a new lash artist, or follow me on Instagram. I appreciate y'all, so give me some feedback.